All right, how are you? So today, listen, we've got chicken, bacon, cream, parmesan, rigatoni, or in fact you can use any pasta you want. This is really simple and it's absolutely delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Hey look, we're going to get started with our bacon. So here I've got 2 cups of bacon. I've cut it into pieces. Now this is quite a fatty, streaky bacon. So what we're going to do is I'm going to render it out. I'm going to kind of fry it up until it gets crispy and just render the fat out. I think we'll probably get a bit of fat from that we don't want. So you can see we've got some nice crispy bacon, but you can also see, look, there's a ton of that fat there. We don't need that. That's not going to be required for what we need. If you're using a really nice meaty bacon, you probably won't have to do this. Right, let's set that aside. Okay, so we've got the bacon together, as you can see there. Now, you don't have to do that if you've got a really nice lean bacon. You could be adding raw bacon. You could have raw bacon now to do this, but yeah, like I said, that's quite fatty, so I rendered it out. I've got 2 cups of chicken breast there, no skin, no bone. I've cut that into bite-sized pieces. Cup of onion, cup of cream. Now I'm using a thick cream. You can use thick or thin. It won't make any difference whatsoever. A teaspoon of dried oregano, maybe 2 tablespoons there, I think, of some Parmesan cheese, a tablespoon of garlic, and optional, some fresh basil. Always beautiful in this. Let's get moving. Now before we get started, you need to get your pasta ready, cooked pasta of your choice. I'm using a rigatoni today. You're going to need 4 cups of that in total. We're going to start off with some oil in there. I've got like 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm using a corn oil, and we're going to go in with 1 cup of the onion, 1 tablespoon of garlic, our chicken breast, 2 cups, cut into bite-sized pieces, or you can do it into slices. Salt, black pepper. We're on an above medium heat, and we're going to go for around 4 minutes. Fabulous stuff. Now we're going to add the bacon in there. So that was about 2 cups when we started. It's about 1 cup now. Now it's cooked and been drained off. We're going to add dried oregano, or oregano, as many of you call that. And again, stay on this nice vibrant heat. And we're going to go now for another 3 minutes. Really, really wonderful. Okay, we're going to go with the cream now. So the cup of cream, like I said, I'm using this thick cream. Thin or thick works out all the same. Once the heat gets through that, it will thin right out. We're also going to add a touch of water. Now, I'm just using regular water. If you wanted, you could use the pasta water or maybe some white wine. Again, on the vibrant heat, 2 minutes, keep it moving. Amazing. Now look, I didn't add the liquid, the water, because I used thick cream. Even if you're using a thin cream, you still need to add a little bit of water there. Right, fresh Parmesan cheese. Please try not to use that kind of dried stuff you get in tubes. It really is disgusting stuff, that is. We're going to drop in the fresh basil, optional, and I just put it in whole like that. I'm not chopping it or anything. Then our pasta, in that goes. Now the pasta's cold, so we're going to go for another 3 or so minutes, stirring all the time to get our sauce in, on and around. If you wanted a little touch of chili, a little sprinkle could be nice, or maybe you could have put some black or green olives, but I'm super happy like that. That is fabulous. All right, and there you go. That is really fabulous. Little bit of fresh basil on the top, make it look a bit fancy. Easy, simple, delicious, wonderful. I hope you enjoy that. You keep safe, you keep well, and I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.